Hello there, I am Adeniyi Adelusi, MD Soul Clean Car Cleaning Services. Welcome to my Cleanliness and Awareness series. Are you interested in the cleaning services industry? Are you passionate? Can I call you a cleaner? Are you willing to make a difference? This is where to start from. Let me tell you a bit about cleaning industry. Cleaning industry is one of the largest and most critical sectors globally, playing a vital role in our environmental sanitation. Creating awareness. With my expertise and experience in the industry, I would like to invite you, to join me in an awareness series on this channel. Let's explore and take and move together to the next level in the industry. This is the best platform for you to learn and to move and to know more about your environment. Thank you and God bless you.